Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you these new earrings that I just got. They are so pretty. They are like little raindrop shaped diamond hoops, which are so nice. Here is what the box looks like that they come in. When you open it up, you can see that it has a velvety cushion bottom and also a velvety cushion top as well, which is nice. And then two spots that you can hang the earrings in, which is really nice. I love how a lot of jewelry comes with these just because it's really easy to store them and travel with them. And here's what the earrings look like. They are so pretty. Like I said, they're like a teardrop shaped diamond, which is so pretty. And they're kind of like a little dangly earring as well, which I really like. I think they are so beautiful. They are perfect for any formal event. They really go with anything. To put them in, it's super easy. The clasp, you can just take it and pop it open just like that, and then put it back on just like that after you have put them in. They're super easy to put in, take out, like I said. And they also do not like affect your ears in any way. I have very sensitive ears whenever I wear earrings, and these tend to not mess with my ears at all, which is really nice. So now I'm going to put these in and show you guys what they look like. Alright everyone, I am back, and as you guys can see, I have the earring in. I just have one in so that I could hold this one up and show you guys it. So pretty. So here's what it looks like when it's in. It is so pretty. I love how it dangles. I think it looks so nice. And like I said before, they really go with anything for any formal event. They are so pretty, and they really do shine and shimmer in the sunlight, which is so nice. So if you guys are looking for some really pretty earrings like these ones for any type of formal event, I highly recommend these. Bye guys!